Well, hello, it's Rich. Thanks for joining me. We are in a wet race, an IMSA race at Imola. We are in the GT3R. I had a very terrible qualifying. Qualified P7 with a 203.092. Um, yeah, just really a bad session for me. I have not really had a good run of success at Imola this week. I did do the fixed, one of the fixed races, and I was in P2. It was a dry race, so I was doing well.
José, buena suerte, everybody. Good luck. Buena suerte, Min.
And yeah,
You
unfortunately,
are on side, Armin, by the way.
I got taken out by a
Mike, I'm taking you out the first chance I get.
what do you call it?
Oh, you motherfucker.
I got taken out by a 600i rating LMP car.
Good luck, all. I want to let you know that I do not consent to getting rammed in the ass.
Okay.
So much for our plans for later on.
Why are we even here then?
Well, this should be interesting.
I don't even know what I'm doing in the split with you guys.
Nobody else wants to race this bullshit.
45
It's been a
minutes.
brutal week for my
P7.
safety rating.
I did the 6-hour yesterday, and we had 96
Follow car number
techs, I'm
28
pretty sure.
in the right column.
Wait, wasn't the 6 hour in the dry? It wasn't raining, right?
I don't want to hear anything, Daniel. Alright? It was 6 hours, man. What?
I don't think we did 96 at Daytona for even sake.
I am not going to lie, you kind of sounded like a Muppet right there.
I said, I don't think we did 6 hours at Daytona. I'm sorry, 96 incidents at Daytona.
We need to
Okay, Rich, get
we
ready.
need to start rolling.
It's not a full pace bar. You can't get that much room. Holy shit.
Go, nail it.
Thanks, man.
There's an incident in. Avanza 2. Incident in. Avanza 1. Looks like it's Murphy. Yellow flag.
Just remember, you guys wanted Iron to have rain.
And I'm 4X right off the bat, man.
Why wait?
You fucked up the start. Now, come on, don't fuck up the race.
I want my SR up.
Sorry for slamming into you there, Scott. I just don't know, like, you kind of slammed on the brakes, and I'm not really sure why you did it, because it was like a straight. So I don't know, I just couldn't predict you doing that, but obviously didn't want to front you, so sorry.
No, what's up?
Right. They're right.
I think we were going into that turn and everybody checked up, but not a big deal.
Yeah, I obviously didn't see in front of you, so if someone checked up in front of you, I didn't know, but either way, I was sorry.
Man, it's all right. It's good, man. Let's have a good time.
Good time racing? What?
I like this guy.
This is stressful as shit, man.
My teammate up front there is probably thinking to himself, who is this guy? Because he needs to get this.
34X Nicholas, I bet I'm damn with you. I don't like this.
The main straight is literally just driving the blind.
Richard, your car did a weird thing over that bump, did it not?
No felt okay on my end.
Maybe it was a weird glitch. As soon as you hit that curb, your car went completely right, but then it was straight again. So weird.
8th place.
All right.
There's an incident in Tosa.
So I have survived. Daniel Gray's doing his Daniel Gray things already. Just weaving through and just kind of showing us, like, you know, hey, you can actually drive in this and pass. Cool, I'm in 8th.
There's an incident in Acqua Minerale. Incident in Variante Alta.
Remind me to breathe, please.
Okay, Rich.
No!
Next car is lighter.
I'm so sorry.
Clear left.
You're okay.
Looking out, defend these positions.
Good, good.
Yellow flag, caution. Just cut the track. There's an incident in Variante Alta. I think it might be Toro.
Wow, I'm at 6x already.
Funny, Rich. I did the same exact thing with the guy in Q3 on the lap before that.
Alright, makes me feel better. I was simply a passenger.
There's an incident in Villeneuve. There's an incident in Tosa.
And Daniel Gray's already up to 4th. I'm gonna brake early here. Yeah, maybe a little too early. Darn it. Alright, so I could potentially... Alright,
Where's the rainbow?
Come on, we can have this faster. They're slowing through. That's
I
a
was
one.
really messed up on
Justin, I thank you for giving space. Alright, let's go after Tyler now.
Captain Cornwell, behind is increasing. It's now 1.5 seconds. Okay, Rich, don't think about lap times. Just hit each and every apex. P6.
Sorry about that. They had not the video card that side of the way.
We'll be warned about track limits.
Shoot. I'm gonna get disqualified if I keep this crap up.
Flag.
Already?
You're being caught by the faster class cars.
Far left. Clear left.
The captain, light ahead is now 2.0.
Appreciate your patience today, Lee. Sorry for holding you up.
The guy in front is light
No problem at all. Trying to survive.
I feel that, dude.
I second Tyler's notion.
What's up, Rich?
I said I second your notion.
blue flag.
He was very patient behind me too.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
Rich,
it's good now.
faster class car approaching.
Go right.
Car right. Clear right.
Blue flag. Looks like P2's gone off in Veritella. Yellow flag.
Well, that's an epic day.
Yeah. Alexi, you scared the crap out of me, brother.
Flag.
On your left. Hold your line. Clear left.
Blue flag. Okay, Rich, pit window open.
On your left. Clear left.
Blue flag.
Car left. Clear left. Car left.
Holy crap, I'm up to P5?
Clear left.
P5.
Come on, Mike.
temp in, the gap is 0.5. Slower than us into Tamburello.
I'll let you
Faster
buy
class
on
car
the
behind.
street. I don't feel comfortable fighting you faster.
Blue flag. Car behind is
Right side. Clear right. Left side. Clear left.
I appreciate you.
On your right.
Trevor, I'm going to let you go by, okay?
Clear right. Right side. Hold your line. Clear right.
We're just trying to stay alive out here.
Hello, Rich. Come on, don't let him get away. Continue.
Affirmative. Yeah, you were quicker, bud, so just go for it.
Incident. Tamburello. Looks like Davis. Yellow flag. Car behind's a faster class. Blue flag.
After, oh, good now.
Car right. Clear right.
Blue flag. Think P4's gone up and going around.
Right side. Clear right.
Well, that makes me want to jump off the fucking roof.
Faster car behind. Blue flag.
Yeah, good call, bro. There's still 2 laps to go.
Go right, please. Go right.
Blue flag.
On your left. Clear left.
And just like that, I'm in P4.
P4. That's your best lap of the session. Sector 3 is 1.2 off the pace. Incident. Go south.
Oh, itchy.
On your right. Clear right.
Do that, please.
Alright, Rich. There's a faster car approaching. Doreen Davis. The gap is now 6.9 seconds.
Okay. That's cool.
On your right. Clear right.
Jesus, Daniel.
You've just done a 158.4. It's an incident in Tosa.
Okay, that sucks. Now I'm back to 8th. Great.
I like that livery logo.
Yeah, actually, if I got those, it's actually my pet river where I want a pet race, I want to tag Hoya. Not that I want to tell people about that or anything.
I bought it for that.
My uncle has a GTR.
Hope it was a smart person.
E8, come on, get your head back into it. Keep it smooth. Focus on these lines. Blue flag. It's a faster class car approaching.
See, that's really wrong. That's what subscribers for like over a year.
I'll make you a deal. If you send me the most, I'll pay for your subs to my channel for the rest of the time. Seems fair.
That sounds like a great deal.
Right side. Clear right.
See, now, 1 minute ago, you thought a tab.
Yeah, if you have a roller, good to know. Boys, I really like the roller.
Left side. Clear left.
They're like standard, you know, their personality wise.
Good stuff. Keep it coming.
At least negotiate tier 3, right? What a read.
There's a faster car approaching.
Car right. Clear right.
That's halfway. We estimate 12 minutes of fuel remaining. Let's move past the cars behind. They're racing for position.
Honestly, I would have done the same thing if I had
It's now
known what I
1.5 seconds. P7. Well, that was a 158.6.
On your left.
Blue flag.
Clear left.
Sorry that I'm not very talkative. It's a lot of work. That sounded interesting. Alright, yeah, I can get this done. Three, two to Scott.
Okay, Rich, there's a faster car approaching.
Far left, clear left.
Daniel, are you gonna make any limited edition
Gap to Murphy in front is there. 3.1.
for your club?
The lap time was at 157.4.
Yeah, see, I think I should do that, but I should like have
Keep it nice
one
and
of the
smooth. Come on,
gloves
let the race come to us.
my
20
wrist,
minutes
that way I
remaining. You've got
can
20
watch
minutes
it.
left. Blue flag. You've got 10 minutes of fuel remaining.
You can do that
Clear left.
because
Clear left.
the watch on your glove.
That's actually big brain right there.
Blue flag.
Right side. Clear
I
right.
can't take credit for that idea.
Actually, yeah, that was my idea. I'm a genius.
Faster car approaching. This guy's the class leader. Blue flag.
Right side. Clear right. Car right. Clear right.
Gotta say, even after a week of this, I don't really know what's
Blue flag.
Left side. Clear left.
Blue flag. There's a faster car approaching.
Cool.
And that was my fault.
Fudge!
Left side. Clear left.
Blue flag.
Now you were bobbing, you were leaving.
Car left. Clear left.
Jeez.
faster car behind. Blue flag. Heads up, there's a car rejoining. Sixth place. That lap time was 1:57.1.
Car left. Clear left.
Oh yeah, I'm completely out to lunch here.
Blue flag. There's a group of faster cars behind you. They're racing for position. So Murphy ahead is increasing. It's now 1.3 seconds.
Left side. Clear left. Clear left. On your left. Clear left.
Blue flag.
Left side. Clear left. Car left. Clear left.
Murphy ahead is pitting. Your main speed limit is 80 kilometers per hour. 4, 3, 2.
Tremendous wave.
Box now.
Terrible stop.
Exit's clear. Push. Blue flag. Blue flag. Alright, Rich. There's a faster class car approaching. Gap to right him.
On your right. Clear right.
There's an incident in Variante Alta. Looks like Toro. Yellow flag. Watch out. Incident in Avanza 1. We think it might be Davis. To go. That's 10 minutes left.
Alright, back up to
Car
P6.
rejoining.
Thanks, David. You were very predictable.
Slow into,
Appreciate you.
that's a 1.
That's right, that's right.
Sebastian car behind, he's class leader.
Yeah, he's got all on that.
My favorite drop from Strider. This whole race is favorite second line. 2B.
Gap to Toro behind us now, 0.3.
On your left. Clear left. Car left.
There's an incident in Tamburello.
Still there.
Yellow flag.
Clear left.
Okay, Rich, that's the car approaching. It's their class leader. Use all the track, force him to find the gap. Blue flag.
Go, go, go. You're on dry tires. Go ahead.
Clear left.
I'm a sitting duck.
Don't panic, we'll get him back.
Left side. Hold your line. Clear left.
Now I'm a sitting duck.
Clear left.
Blue flag. Five minutes remaining, 5 minutes left. Blue flag.
On your right. Clear right.
Back on the first day. President.
Got 10 minutes of fuel remaining.
Arranqué con llantas de centro, por favor.
Sebastian car approaching.
No, yo creo que sí, acá es con la agua, ¿no? Ya fica aquí sin radio.
No, me equivoqué de serie.
Blue flag. Come on, focus. We need more speed. Don't try to brake later. Just concentrate harder. V6.
Igual buen lugar, sin hacerlo.
What is that?
Left side. Clear left. Clear left. Left side.
Blue flag.
Clear left.
Alright, please, ready? Another four and safety people. You should maybe take a racing on it
Sebastian class car approaching.
and not cut me off when I got a lap. Have a nice night.
Narina, Murphy.
Car left. Clear left.
They're pretty slow into Tamburello.
Car right. Clear right.
Woohoo!
That's 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. next car is Davis. Last lap. That was a 151.0. Good lap. That's your quickest so far. Track temperature's rising. It's now 20 Celsius. As the car's approaching. Estimate you've got 5 minutes of fuel remaining. Flag.
Come on, baby.
Car left. Clear left.
Just 2 minutes left. 2 minutes to go.
Good race, everyone.
Great. One log.
I got that.
Oh, he's dead.
Team P6 has gone off in. That's a 1. Toro is leading the race.
Woo! P5. Oh my goodness. Ah.
P5. And there's the finish. Good result, mate. Well done.
Yeah, I couldn't get that there at the ending.
Wow. This is the first time I've ever been in a race with Daniel Gray, and I've actually had a somewhat positive result.
And now it starts to rain.
Yeah, all you guys that went to Slicks really timed that perfect. Bravo. Oh. Alright, and that's it. The race is over. Alright. Let's see what this looks like here.
That's really impressive.
Definitely save that. Alright. Let's see. I know I definitely lost safety rating, but I should have increased my I rating. Probably not that much, but yeah, plus 32 and lost 0.08 for safety. But overall pretty good. Decent strength of field, 2449. Let's just dial this back here. My fastest was a 150.951, and yeah, I mean, considering I was on wet tires, I was somewhat competitive with Chris Brunimer 2. But yeah, anyone that went to slicks, I mean, they had totally different type of pace there. Yeah, so I think overall, pretty happy with the results. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and we will see you in the next video. Stop. It's right there. Subscribe though. Thanks.